Welcome back. I'm Jill with CarefreeKitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite recipe for cheesecake stuffed strawberries. Now, these strawberries are perfect for serving at a bridal shower or a family get together. They can be super elegant, but the best part is they are super simple to make. We love to make these with the 4th of July, and there are a few different variations you can use. We like to top these with a little blueberry on top for the 4th of July, or you can use crushed graham crackers on top. Follow along and I will show you how to make these super easy and simple cheesecake stuffed strawberries. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to add my whipping cream, and I'm using a heavy whipping cream here, but if you only have regular whipping cream on hand, that will do just great. I'm going to add it to a bowl and use a hand mixer. You can also use a stand mixer. That works great. Just be sure you have a whisk attachment on it. Either one will work great. You just want to beat this until it is light and fluffy. And the whipped cream, when it's ready, it will reach a firm peak stage. And this means that when you move your whisk beaters and hold them upright, the cream peaks and will stay firm. Whipping cream can take up to 8 minutes, but you can stop whipping slightly before that if you want. If you whip past that stage, the cream will stiffen and become more grainy and even turn into butter. So you don't want to overbeat it. You just want to do it until the stiff peaks form when you move your beaters. Soft peaks will fold over and firm peaks will stand on their own. The difference between soft peaks and firm peaks is just how stable the whipping cream is. The next thing I'm going to do is get another bowl and add the room temperature cream cheese. And I'm going to use the same hand mixer. There's no need to wash it. And I'm going to beat this until it is light and fluffy. And now I'm going to add in powdered sugar to sweeten it, and then just a splash of vanilla. And it's preferred to use vanilla extract here. If you use the regular vanilla bean extract, it will make it just a little bit darker, which it's going to taste fine, but the clear one just makes this filling just a little bit brighter. Now you can mix that slowly at first, and then continue to mix it until it's all mixed in and is light and fluffy again. You can use a rubber spatula around the edges to scrape the sides of the bowl and just make sure that everything is mixed in well. Now we're going to mix our cream cheese mixture and our whipped cream mixture together, and this creates a really stable, perfectly dense, sweet and creamy filling for our strawberries. And I'm just adding them to the same bowl, and then I'll use a hand mixer to mix them together. Okay, so this is the texture it should have. When you run your finger through it, it should be able to hold its shape. And now to prepare the strawberries, you're going to wash them and then dry them. I like to just set them on a paper towel or a clean kitchen towel until they are dry. And you're going to use a paring knife and cut the stem off. And you want it to be flat on the bottom so it can stand up on your plate or platter or whatever you're serving it on. And then when you flip it over the tip of the strawberry, we're going to cut it down in a cross section about 3/4 of the way down the strawberry. And you don't want to slice clear through the strawberry, you just want to go down part way. And then to open it up, we are going to use our piping tip inside of there and then fill it with this no-bake cream cheese filling. There is still part of the strawberry tops that can be used, and you can go back and cut the fruit part off of the stem and eat it, or add it to a different strawberry dessert or whatever you'd like. You do want to make sure that you have the whole stem cut off, and you might need to cut it down just a little bit more there. Now I'm using a piping bag. I have a metal tip in there and it's just a star shape. I like to fold the top down and then slide my hand under the fold, and this makes it really easy to fill the bag. Oh geez, I'm not showing this very well on film, but I'm just scooping the cream cheese filling into the piping bag with a rubber spatula. Now I'm just going to shake the bag a little bit and move the filling down and then twist the top. And to get that pretty top, you can just practice piping the cream cheese filling out on the spatula so you will know how much pressure to apply to make the filling come out. Now, if you just put your piping bag tip in there and squeeze a little bit, you will fill the inside of the strawberry, and then you can make a little decoration on top. I like to just make a little, almost like a cupcake top on there, just a little tiny one, enough to add the blueberry, and that's what gives you the red, white, and blue. It is so pretty. Now you have a patriotic dessert. So inside each of these strawberries, you have a cream filling and then a blueberry on top. So, so cute. All right, look at that adorable little strawberry, the fresh strawberry, the amazing cream filling, and then of course the cute little blueberry on top. It is such a simple and easy way to make the 4th of July a little more festive and fun. Now for the taste test. Mm. The strawberry is so tart, and then the sweet and the creamy. It's just a fun and easy way to make your holiday a little bit more festive or your gathering. This is perfect for a bridal shower, a baby shower, really any family gathering. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Carefree Kitchen, and follow along for more fun and easy recipes. And if you make my cheesecake stuffed strawberries, be sure to tag me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!